Now always do edit placements and turn off Instagram and turn off audience network. Click this little arrow here and turn off instant articles and turn off right column. We only want to be doing the Facebook news feed, mobile and desktop combined. Okay, very, very important. Down the road, we can try scaling out to different placements, but we want to put our best foot forward and just go and hit the news feed. Now, in terms of budget, it really is up to you. You can start with $5 or $10, but I wouldn't go over that for new products. I'm gonna go with 10 just so we get the data faster and run that over 2 to 3 days to see if we make any sales. Now, always optimize for conversions, and 7-day click is fine when you're starting out. Down the road, we can test 1-day click after we start getting a lot more sales and data on the pixel, okay? So now we're good to go. The only thing is the potential reach went down a bit, 410,000. So I'd like that to be a bit bigger. Maybe we can take out cooking and see if that gets bigger. It's a little bit bigger. Let's see what else we can throw in here. Cooking, recipes, cuisine. Let's see if that makes it, okay, almost 500,000. That looks pretty good. Cool. Okay, so around 500,000, what happened was actually the audience got smaller because we removed Instagram and some other placements. So, but around the 500,000 mark is fine for testing purposes. Once we know what works and we get some data on the pixel, then we can start going out and scaling to bigger audiences. So let's go to continue. Now, unfortunately, from here in Ads Manager, creating a new ad, you can't do a dark post off the page. So I'm going to show you what to do instead, because here we can only do link posts. We never want to do link posts. So I'll show you how to set this up. So we're going to go to facebook.com, go to our page, or you can just go to business settings. Right up here, business settings. Go to the fan page you created, which is our store page, Neat Nerdly. Click on that. Okay, so we're going to save this image. I like that image, that's very eye-catching. And I'm actually gonna go and change the main image. You wanna have the ad and the product page match. The image should always match. So since I'm gonna use that image with the lemon in it, I'm gonna switch up the main image here so it matches. Okay, so we'll save that out, refresh the page, and there we go. So now, once you're on your fan page, you wanna create the ad. So if we actually go back to our ads, we can go find the ad where we found that product and get some inspiration here. Okay, so there's the ad. So what you could even do is just copy this right here, grab the image, paste in the copy. Okay, we're doing a 50% off promotion. Now this ad copy is actually quite weak, so we're going to look at some other examples for better inspiration. Now this is much better, so I'm going to explain why this ad copy is a lot better. Okay, so in ad copy now, what you want to do is always use emoticons because that really makes the ad stand out. You always want to start with a question, and then you want to tell them the promotion, drop the link, and then some sort of social sharing or social proof to get them to encourage the ad to go viral. Okay, so I would say here, get 50% off. I'm gonna grab my link. I'm gonna paste it in. Want new want these awesome new utensils. Okay, get 50% off, drop the link, tag and share with your friends and family. That works great, and we're going to publish. So there's the post there. We're just going to tighten this up a bit. Okay, now that's really a great ad right there. Very simple, very clean, it pops. It's got some yellow in the image. The product's on an angle. There's a lot of angles actually happening here. That's going to really poke out of the news feed and get a lot of attention. So that's what you want. And also this is a square image. You definitely only want to do square images so that when you click it, it opens up here to a preview. They can click the link and they go and buy. Okay, so this is a 1200 by 1200 image post. That's the size of what your image should be for this type of ad. Okay, so we do image posts and video posts, but for this example to start off, we're doing the image post. So now if we go back to our ad creation, if you refresh the page, reload, it should ask you if you want to start off here again. It says here you want to start off where you left off. Yes, click continue. And the ad name, we can just change the ad name to the actual product name. That's fine. And then go to your existing post right here, use existing post. Okay, choose your page, your store page right there. And there's the post right here. You can select it from the list. Okay, and there it is. And make sure you're tracking all conversions from your pixel. And then that's it, place order. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, you always want to start your ads at 3 a.m. ad account time zone the next day. So you'll see right here, set a start and end date. So I'm going to say tomorrow, July 1st at 3 a.m. Okay, this end date we can change after it's launched, that's fine. We'll go continue and place order. So now that ad is lined up, ready to go. It's going to launch tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. And let's go to the ad set level now. And right here, you can go to edit. And inside edit, we can go and put don't schedule an end date. Okay, run as ongoing and save and close. So that's done. That's really as simple as it is. I'm going to pause here and I'll see you in the next video.